How to fix microphone not working in Windows 11 or 10. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's get started. Click on Windows search icon at bottom left and select settings or search for settings. Open settings and here you need to simply scroll down and click on the privacy option. Afterwards you need to scroll down and locate microphone. Under app permission, select that. And make sure that you turn on the button for microphone access if not yet. Then you have to scroll down to check if the specific app, for example Skype, has microphone access. If not, you can simply turn on the button. Or even for WhatsApp, you can turn it on if it is not turned on. After that, you need to set your microphone as default. For that, let's close the settings. Press the Windows key at bottom left corner of your screen. Right click on it. Here you can easily see the option of control panel and open it. If you do not find here, you need to go to the search bar at bottom left corner and type in control panel. Once you find it, click on open at right side. Once you open it, here you need to navigate to sound button and click on it. Now go to the recordings tab. You have to find your microphone and then right click on it and you need to choose or set it to default. Once you have done that, you need to click on OK and apply the changes. You can even adjust the microphone level. You can go to the recordings tab, click on it to open it, and then here you can easily select listen or go to levels and you can easily make it to 100% or you can click on this microphone add sliders and then choose the highest level of volume. You can even boost the microphone and then click on OK and then apply the changes. By adjusting microphone levels, setting your microphone as default and checking microphone permissions, you can fix microphone not working in Windows 11 or 10. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.